My name is Doug Mayo. I'm a County Extension Director in Jackson County, Florida. In late July, one of our master gardeners, Larry Kinsolving, noticed a pest on his beautiful azaleas that framed the front entrance to his home. The azalea caterpillar is found in Florida from late summer to early fall on azaleas and other plants, including blueberries. If left undetected, the caterpillars can defoliate or eat up the leaves of much of a plant. In general, caterpillars seldom kill the plants they feed on, but the stress caused by defoliation can reduce flowering or fruiting the following spring if it becomes a serious problem.
It's July in Florida, therefore time to start looking for azalea caterpillars. You see the damage. Luckily, they're fairly easy to spot. Coiled up, hanging down from a branch. Best thing is just take them off. They're okay. They do not harm humans. They are generally fairly easy to spot. Well colored. They look like caterpillars that are harmful, that could sting you, but they will not. Best to get rid of them quickly. It's easy just to carry around a 5-gallon bucket with you, and you can deposit all of your collection for later disposal. There's another one. Let's get after it. If you're lucky, you can get a whole bunch like this. I like to get them when they're small and they're all wrapped up together. Unfortunately, the azalea twig that this came from is no longer viable. And here are some more. You see they're fairly big, about 2 inches long. If you get them at this stage, you can pretty well go through your camellia bushes without the need for any sort of spray. And I'm going to get these soon, and they'll be all cleansed from the bushes and things will be okay. Be sure to check several times during the hot weather. This is Larry Kinsolving, Master Gardener, Jackson County, Florida.